Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise the chapter number 1 from our Beehive book. Okay, so the chapter is The Fun They Had. In this chapter, the story is set in the future when children don't have traditional books and schools. So, in this chapter, the author Isaac tries to tell us about the classrooms and schools of the future. They will be generally automated with robotic and mechanical teachers. The story describes the feelings of two, that is Margie and Tommy. That describes about the feelings of the two students about the schools of the past, because they like at the end of the story they like the school of the past. So they loved schools of the past and wanted to be a part of that. They rejoice at the feeling of being taught by a human teacher. They anticipate the fun of being together with the other children of their age. And in this story there are two very first there are four characters in this story. Very first is Margie, a girl of 11 years old who wished to be a part of the schools of the past. And another character is Tommy, a boy of 13 years old, lives close to Margie's house. Now, next is Margie's mother, a lady who was very disciplined and was very careful about the hours of the study of her daughter. Okay, we have already read in the chapter. So, next there is a count inspector. Okay, count inspector, a round little man with a red face who comes to repair the mechanical teacher, that is the computer of Margie. Now, in this chapter, Margie is a little girl. In the story, she makes a diary entry that Tommy found a real book and reveals the date is 21st May 2157. It means it's about the future and we are living in 2020. So, showing that the story is set much into the future, and the book was very old one, just like the one that her grandfather had in his time as a student, and its pages were yellow and she found it funny to read the words, and they were that words were not moving like that on a computer screen. So it's a comparison of the old book versus computer. So now the feelings of a book. Okay, feelings about the book. What when the Tommy had found the book and had the book in a hand, he called it is a waste, because after one time reading it could be thrown away. The same feeling was with Margie too. Tommy found that book in the attic of his house, as we all as we all know, and that book was about a school. Okay, and the Margie hated her school and her mechanical teacher a lot. Her teacher was not a living being, and he was an image that flashes on a screen in her study room, as we all know, that is the computer teacher. He give her test after he means computer teacher or virtual teacher. He give test after test in geography and she was not doing well. Her failure in geography had invited an inspector who tried to trace out the problem. So her mother had asked the county inspector to come and find what was wrong. So when the county inspector arrived, on the arrival of the county inspector, and we know that county inspector was was a round little man with a red face, and Margie had thought that he would take her mechanical teacher away completely, but it was not so. The inspector set the teacher right within an hour or so. He told her mother that nothing was wrong with the girl, rather, the screen was too fast for the girl, and therefore Margie was having troubles. Now it had been slowed down so that she would be okay with its level. Now the story, it's about the old kind of school in which they, in this chapter, they like the schools of the past. So on the reading that books, Tommy had discussion about the old school with Margie. The old kind of schools were a building common to all, with human teachers who would teach all the boys and girls the same thing if they were at the of their same age. So we can say it's about the old school, kind of the old school. So he gave in this, Tommy gave read a book about past schools. So we can say it's all about the future. This story is a futuristic story, and Margie, being nostalgic, because she was sitting in front of her mechanical teacher, but she was thinking of the good old days when the kids had a common time and place to study. She was also thinking of the human teacher that used to teach them. She was thinking of the fun they had at the school. So, this is your chapter in which we read about the uh, schools of the past and the future. Okay.